Hi, Bittle here. Here's our little cookbook. It's one of my dad's journals, but we'll get our own special one soon. Flour, brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Sugar, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, butter, and eggs. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of melted butter. My brother tries mixing. I try mixing. Mommy even tried helping. We finally figured out the butter wasn't melted enough. Mommy took it aside and put it back in the oven to melt some more. So, on to the dry ingredients. Two cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then it's time to mix up all the ingredients. I'm tired. It's your turn, Superman. Shift change. Now Mommy is back with the melted butter. I'm going to hold Tiny and Mama while Mommy makes sure the butter is thoroughly mixed with the other wet ingredients. Check out when my mom goes in turbo mixing mode. Turbo Mommy Mixer. Hey, you little trolls, those are supposed to be for the cookies. Now it's time to mix our wet and dry ingredients. This stuff is really thick and sticky. What did I tell you about those chocolate chips, you sticky-figured little goblins? Good idea, little brother. I don't think the whisk is gonna work for this part of the mixing. No, Piglet, these are for the cookies. Time to mix in the chocolate chips. This stuff is so thick, I gotta shake out my hand. Time to load up our cookie sheet with our chocolatey batter. Be sure to make each cookie using about 1 tablespoon of batter and that they are evenly spaced. Okay, Superman, it's your turn. Thanks, Daddy. ready for the oven. Now we have to put it in the oven. My mom's helping me with this because I might burn myself. Oh no. Okay, perfect.
And push timer. Nope. Yep. 1:15. Start. Yep. There you go.
One eternity later.
Here they are, piping hot and delicious. It's time to let them cool. Baked for 15 minutes at 350 degrees, I could smell them. So good! Time to put them away. All done. Bye! Hi everyone, Bittle here. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. If you would like to support us by becoming a Patreon, click the link to our Patreon page and help us improve and expand our videos. Our next baking project will be chocolate chip banana bread. Hope to see you soon. God love you. Bye.